Dear students, today we are going to solve the exercise of chapter number 2nd, that is Windows 7 for class 7th. Now open chapter number 2nd, that is at page number 15. This is page number 15 where we can see the chapter name is Windows 7. Now open the exercise of this page. Come to page number 21. So here fill in the blanks are given. So we have to fill all the blanks. So first I am reading in page number 21, that is Windows has simplified the task of what in computer. So in first blank we have to fill managing data. Right here managing data. Now second is what view displays or which view displays each file and folder on a separate row along with detailed information. So that type of view is known as contained view. So we have to write in second, that is contained. Now third, to change the mouse setting, where we have to click in control panel, we have to click on to mouse option. So we fill mouse. Now fourth is with numeric keypad in mouse mode, which key is used for diagonally left upward movement. So the options which are given at below, home option is wrong. Here you have to write 7. 7 number key we will press. Now fifth, which is a state in which a computer shuts down to save power but first saves everything in the memory on hard disk. That process is known as hibernate. So we have to fill here hibernate. Now come to the true false of this chapter. So I am going to write here true false. Now open next page, page number 22. 6 true false are here, so I am writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. First one I am reading. Data in a computer is organized into files and folders. Yes, it is correct. So write here true. Second is data once stored in a file cannot be changed. No, it is false. All data can be changed from one folder to another folder, or we can save anywhere when we want. Now third, the sticky keys feature automatically deactivates itself if two keys are pressed together. Yes, it is true. What are sticky keys? When we are pressing 2 to 3 keys in a one time at a time, that is called sticky keys. Next is fourth, there are two pans in Windows Explorer. Yes, it is true. Now come to fifth, small icon view is used to view the detailed information about files and folders. No, it is false. Sixth, the left pane of Windows Explorer displays the disk drives and folders in a hierarchical order. False. Why? Because this hierarchical order of drives and folders are seen at right pane. Now we are coming to the application based questions of this chapter. I am writing here ABP means application based question. So first one is what? Ritu has to complete her assignment and submit it on the next day. While typing, all of a sudden the keyboard of the system stopped working. Suggest to her the alternate to complete the assignment. So she should use here what? If her keyboard is disturbed, she should use here what? On screen keyboard. So we have to write here on screen keyboard. This is the first answer of application based question. Now come to second one. Meenakshi has stored various files in her laptop. She wants to view all the files with detailed information including name, type, size and date modified. Suggest to her the view format which would fulfill her requirements. So that format is, the answer is detailed view. I am writing a detailed view. Now come to the MCQ or multiple choice questions of this chapter. Now first multiple choice question is, which folder in Windows 7 manages documents, music, pictures and other files? Which folder? That is library folder. So right here library, that is A option. Now second is, what is a power saving state or which is a power saving state that allows a computer to quickly resume full power operation when you start working again. That is sleep mode, and it's again A option. Now third one, in Microsoft Office 2007, the width of a file extension is of how many characters? This is your 4 characters, and this is your B option. Now fourth, what setting is used to change the display of text on the screen and the printed text? That is called font setting, and it's option of A. Now last fifth is, what view displays the gigantic icons of files and folders? These are extra large icons. So we have to write here extra large icons, and this is of C option. Now we are coming to solve the questions of this chapter. So students, your first question is, what do you know about Windows Explorer? So I have written the answer here, that is Windows Explorer enables to display directory structure that includes drives, folders and files in a computer. Very simple is that. Second question, name the different view formats and briefly explain any two formats. So I have written here, the view formats are extra large and large icons, medium icons, small icons, list, details, tiles and content. Now we are going to describe these two. First is list. What list we do? This displays the contents as a list of files and folders. And second is content. So this displays each file and folder in a separate row along with detailed information. Now third question is, how will you set the date and time for your computer? So first we have to do what? Click on change date and time tab. Second, select the current day and time in the display dialog box. Now fourth question is, what is sleep mode? So that is very easy. The answer is, sleep mode is a power saving state that allows a computer to quickly resume full power operation when it starts working again. And now the fifth question is, which option is used to change the mouse settings? The answer is here, mouse option in control panel is used to change the mouse settings. Now the last question is, which is sixth number, that is, what is the importance of control panel in Windows? The answer is here, that is, control panel is a system folder using which appearance and current settings of Windows can be changed. Now exercise of this chapter is being completed, and we will do next chapter in next video.